All right, y'all, we have a wig today from Nadula Hair. Today's wig is a pre-everything wig. Like, everything is ready. The hairline, the lace is cut. It comes with tape, so that all you have to do is apply it. Now, they did add the real scalp material inside of here so that you can have the convenience part. It would just look like scalp. As you can see right there, this is what it looks like. The cap construction is a drawstring wig, and they also still give you the built-in adjustable strap, but you get the double secure fit if you want to go glueless. Hop it on and see how it fits. Slide this down. So far, the cap is fitting. As you can see, the ear tab areas fall right below the ear, and I'm able to still have room around the ear. And this side is the exact same way. All right, so this is a straight texture. This is a really pretty straight texture. So this is a 13x4 lace wig, layer cut, pre-plucked, straight 24-inch lace wig. And I will be sure to link it below in the description box for you guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just take the tape, pull it off. All I have to do now is just take the sides, make sure it's not falling on the ear, make sure the hairline is where I want it, and I'm just gonna stick the tape right here. So I'm gonna do the same thing with the other side. I gave enough space where I can cut it at the ear tab area if I want to. Check out my previous video. I showed how to do this on a drawstring wig earlier this week, so check out that video. So after you get the tape on, then you can go ahead and take the drawstring and just pull it. Just pull it until it's tight. To give you a hold. I love the drawstring so much. I do feel like it really gives a good hold. I highly recommend you checking out my previous video, because sometimes I do notice when I pull the drawstring, it can change how the ear tab areas fall. So with this one, as you can see, it still fits around the ear, but if yours happens to not do that, then I show you how to fix that. Check out my previous video for that information. But so far, this is looking really good. I do like the idea of using the tape and then pulling the drawstring. That way this area can lay flat. And the tape you can remove daily if you need to. I do have a video explaining how to use adhesive tapes. I will try to pop that video out to you right here. If not, just go to my YouTube channel by clicking my name, and you will see a helpful playlist of videos is in that playlist. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you guys how you can style it. Straight styles, they do not hold curls well. Really prefer body wave textures when it comes to doing curls, because it's going to hold better. And this hair is so silky, it's not gonna hold a curl. And then I don't even have holding spray. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a little bit of something to it. With your straight styles, they are specifically for convenience. If you just like sleek looks, if you don't want to do too much, but I can still show you guys it can style. Great parting, as you can see. So you can do a side part. The hairline looks super good. I noticed they do say that it's a layered wig. I don't see many layers in the hair. I see just something right here at the front, a long 24-inch. It's not too layered. I was expecting just a little bit more, but it's still pretty. The hair is super soft. That's what it looks like. Super long, y'all. Super pretty though. And of course they have other length options if you want to go shorter. You don't have to go this long. One of my favorite styles, of course, is the half up, half down style. So I kind of just take a wax stick and smooth the hair. Take my hot comb and put the hair in the direction I need it to go. I do like that they have the sides here, so it's like a pre-sideburn area that they already created for you guys. As you can see, it's a little bit longer, but you can shorten it if you like. Let's try to do a top bun right quick. So you want to brush all the hair all the way up. Let me just do a ponytail. Ooh. Yeah, look at that. Make sure that's pulled. The wig cap isn't showing through. Mine always show through for some reason, y'all. I don't do the ball cap method anymore. This is the next look. you can just twist it into the bun, do like a messy top bun like so. All right, so that's how that looks. And everything is holding very, very well, as you can see. Okay, again, this wig is from Nadula Hair. I'm gonna go ahead and link it in the description box for you guys, along with any discounts they may have. All right, so I will see you all back in my next video.